Well, we're getting some wind today. That one just barely missed, causing some damage to some of these cars. Well, thankfully, not too much damage. This car's here. So the Roadrunner got moved from right there. The Cuda got moved from over there. I just wanted to be sure that we weren't going to take an end up, although it's still in range. But you can see up in here, some of these limbs are already dead. I hate to see what that one would do, but I can't do much about that right now. Oh well, keep your car safe. Keep yourself safe when it's nice and windy, and just drive it.